Being a wedding event designer is so rewarding because it lets me be creative in amazing ways. You get to plan events based on clients' wishes, like their favorite colors, the layouts, centerpieces, and decorations. You'll love making their vision come to life. But there's one thing about this job that will always surprise you. Can you guess what it is? Stay tuned to find out. When designing centerpieces, I think about how high or low they should be, the type of flowers the clients prefer, and how the arrangement should look. For one particular event that I recently did, lower centerpieces were a better fit for the table decorations. This led me to design bud vases for centerpieces. To make the table look full and busy, I needed about 48 floral bud vases of different heights. I prepared these by cutting them and conditioning the flowers' stems a few days before arranging them into the vases. I don't always prepare all centerpieces the day before the event. For this particular event, I use all silk artificial flowers, which are very low maintenance. This allows me to design all the centerpieces the day before the event. It took me just about all day to finish, but with experience in designing with silk flowers, I was able to complete everything on time. While it is a lot of work to take on the day before the event, it is possible with proper planning. I wanted to try different style of centerpieces for this event. So I went ahead and bought 6 clear acrylic stands that are 16 inches tall from your favorite mart. You can find the purchase link in the description box below the video. You will need to assemble the centerpieces yourself, but it's very easy to do. I have a DIY video also on my channel that shows exactly how to make them, and I'll link it in the description box. Once you're done assembling, use a pool noodle and zip ties to create your floral arrangement. I also designed 6 low floral bowl centerpieces with a mix of greenery eucalyptics, beautiful plum Austin roses, spray roses, dahlias, gardenias, and cosmos. This combination looks realistic and works well in bud vases and small floral vase arrangements. For a cohesive look, I matched these floral arrangements with the ones I did on the acrylic stand. like to transport all of my centerpieces is by using different variety of boxes. How I go about doing that is the vases, I usually put them back in the original box that they are from. And then when it comes to my flower heads, I'll take any box, any size, and I will go ahead and put my floral arrangement inside of those boxes where they are not squished or get crushed from transportation. And then I'll take any size box so I can go ahead and arrange my bud vases. I use these foam cup holders to secure my bud vases into place. The thing that always surprises me is how much planning goes into making everything perfect. Being a wedding event designer means organizing everything carefully, being creative, and staying cool under pressure. The weeks before the event are essential to make sure every detail is just right. One of the last things I like to do is put together a mock table using Canva, a website that helps visualize the entire decor. This allows me to see how the centerpiece, linens, napkins, charger plates, water goblets, and silverware will look together. I share this mock-up with clients to ensure their vision has come to life and to confirm that they love the design. If any changes are needed, it's essential to show the mock-up to clients 2 to 3 weeks before the event to have ample time to make adjustments. If you would like for me to do a full tutorial on how to create mock-ups on different platforms, let me know in the comments.